Hello guys, extremely short video. It came to my attention that some of you're still struggling to see the total results in your ads manager in your campaigns. So let me show you. You can see that here they appear, okay, all of the total results. What is the only thing that is actually defining if they are going to appear or not? If we click the X here, we can see that we are having the new thing which is called attribution setting. In order to put it, you have to go to your columns, customize columns, and actually add the attribution setting. And then you apply it. Also, you can save it as preset to your column setting. And as you can see here, we don't see the total results in our campaigns. The reason that you actually cannot see them is because you have different attribution settings. After the changes that we have in the early 2021, we know that the conversion window changed to attribution setting in our ad set level. The area that you can actually see this one is if you go here, you go inside your ad set, and you can go on your bottom over here. Okay, this one is putting me a hard time. It's let me find it, I guess. If they put it on another place, I think it's going to be on the top then. Yeah, there it is. So most of the times when you're creating your campaign, it's going to be on the bottom. Here we have Facebook, which wants to embarrass me in front of you, but it's okay. It's called optimization delivery. Most of the times it's going to be on the bottom of your ad set. And here's the attribution setting. As long as you have campaigns that they're going to have exactly each one of your ad sets, of course, inside the campaigns, they have exactly the same attribution setting, you can do the following. You can pick the ones that you want and you're running ads in the last period. Click here on the search and filter by selection. As soon as you click filter by selection and all of the campaigns that you have checked or the ad sets that you have checked, they have the same attribution setting over here, which you are able to check, you will be able to see the total results and actually evaluate your total ROAS without using calculators, okay? So this is a very easy solution. I don't know what most probably people don't know it because they don't understand that the problem is the attribution setting and they just think that their ad account is broken. But this is a way to fix it. I will see you in another short video.